Computer networks. When two or more computers are connected, they form a computer network. They can be connected either by cables, that is called as wired, or wireless firewall, that is explained in the coming video, which is known as wireless. That is, they does not have any cables for connection. Its main purpose of a computer network is transmitting, exchanging, or sharing data and resources. Computer network is made possible by using both hardware and software. This hardware comprises of routers, switches, access points, and cables that makes the computer network possible. And software, in the software operating system or business applications are used. Both hardware and software together, they make the computer network possible for the users. Often, geographic location defines a computer network. For example, a type called local area network, which connects computers in a physically defined space like an office building or a small firm, etc. Whereas a wide area network, which connects computers across continents. There are several other types of computer networks, which should be explained in the coming videos. But internet, which is the largest WAN connecting billions of computers worldwide. Computer networks can have different designs, but basically there are two forms: client-server and peer-to-peer networks. Coming to the client-server networks model, that is, in this model, they have computers for centralized storage. That is, those computers are known as servers, and they are accessed by client computers and devices. Coming to the peer-to-peer networks, here the devices or computers support both the functionality of centralized storage and accessibility. They are more common in homes, that is, home computers fall under this network, while the client-server networks are used for business purpose. Following are some important terms that should be known while discussing computer networking. First is the IP address, that is the Internet Protocol address. First, what is meant by Internet Protocol means it is the method or protocol by which the data is sent from one computer to another on the Internet. Coming to the Internet Protocol address, it is the unique number which is assigned to every device connected to a network that uses Internet Protocol for communication. Each IP address, that is a protocol for communication. That is, protocol in the sense it is a set of rules that defines how the data is to be sent, or what format of data is to be sent, or how it will be received. Such rules will come under the protocols. Each IP address identifies the device host network, that is what the particular network, and the location of device on that particular network. Next is the network packets, the data that is sent to and from the nodes in the network. Nodes are nothing but the computers. Nodes, next coming to the nodes, nodes refer to any computing device such as computers that send and receive network packets across the network. Each node again requires some form of identification like an IP address. Next is the routers. A router is physical, or it may be virtual device that sends information contained in data packets between the networks. Routers analyze the data within the packets to determine the best way for the information to reach its ultimate destination. As the name indicates, it routes the packets for their destination. Routers forward the data packets until they reach their destination node. The next coming slides will show the picture for your better understanding of routers. Coming to switches, a switch is a device that connects other devices like routers and also manages node-to-node communication within a network, ensuring data packets to reach their ultimate destination. Difference between a switch and a router is that a router sends information between networks, that is, it connects several networks, but a switch sends information between nodes within a single network, that is, switch is the one which is for a particular network. Then coming to ports, port identifies a specific connection between network devices. That is, each port is identified by a number. If you think of an IP address which can be compared to an address of a hotel, then ports are the suites or room numbers within the hotel. Computers use port numbers to determine which particular application or service within the node should receive specific messages. So for this purpose, port numbers are used. Then moving to network cable types, there are many types like Ethernet, twisted pair, coaxial, and fiber optic cables. The choice of the cable depends on the size of the network and the distance or arrangement of network elements. Next is the internet service provider. These are companies that provide everyone with their internet connection, both to the individuals and big organizations. For a better understanding, a network diagram is given here, which shows where is the router and which is the IP address and all the things like that. Then we can visualize what is a switch and what is a router. That is, a router is present between the networks and switches for a particular that is, each network has a particular switch. The computers will, in a network will be connected to a particular switch. These are the things we need to know while discussing computer networks. Form the basis of computer networks.